welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you so much for stopping in. And I just want to thank all my brand new subscribers that has recently joined the Felicia by the Season channel in the last 3 months. I want to officially welcome you to this channel and this growing family at Felicia by the Seasons. I hope that you enjoy your stay. In today's video, I am going to be kicking off my Valentine's decorating, and we're going to be starting with my hot cocoa / bar station. This is just a quick overview of all the items that I have gathered to add to my bar station for 2023. And I also recently purchased these hot cocoa spoons from Target. This is a quick before look at my bar station. And now we're going to fill these adorable jars. I'm going to be adding some Hershey Kisses. I think they're white chocolate with chocolate on the inside. I'm also going to be using my classic peanut M&Ms. And I'm going to add some brown sugar. But you're going to see later in the video, I'm going to switch that out and just add regular white marshmallows. Now, for the sake of our new subscribers here, our hot cocoa bar station is used all 4 seasons, meaning we keep it up all year long and we just update it from season to season. It is a wonderful addition to our home that is enjoyed by both our family and friends who have grown to love this bar station and frequently visit it. And they're now making suggestions of what items to add to the bar station, which I think is so much fun.
Come out and play. It's Saturday, and I promise I'll love you much better now. The sour taste will wash away, 'cause I promise I'm better now. Wouldn't hold it against you if you say that you don't wanna get close to me, close to what we used to be. But I just feel like dancing. Are you feeling it too? Oh baby, won't you love me? Won't you
As you saw in the intro of this video, I did a quick DIY by painting the frame of the sign in metallic gold. I wanted this bar station to have a sense of sophistication to it this year, so I chose the color palette of using soft pinks, whites, and golds as my accent colors. This is a quick overview of all the decor items that I'm going to be adding to this station, and most of these items you can find them in my Valentine's decor haul. I encourage you to go over and check that out. And these wreaths with the rose were a quick DIY that I did off camera. This miniature bar cart was a recent purchase from Target, and it was only $5. I had seen this before, but I passed on it. But when I started decorating, I knew I had to get this piece.
come out and play? It's Saturday, and I promise I'll love you much better now. The sour taste will wash away, 'cause I promise I'm better now. Wouldn't hold it against you if you say that you don't wanna get close to me, close to what we used to be. But I just feel like dancing. Are you feeling it too? Oh baby, won't you love me? Won't you love me? Won't you love me? Love me like yesterday. Don't you feel it? How it feels, babe. Won't you love me the old kind of new way?
This white gold rimmed coffee mug was also a new purchase from Home Goods, and I think it was $4.99. Now, this sweet little snowman was hidden in a stash of mine, and I fortunately had the receipt attached to it. I actually purchased this little snowman last Christmas clearance season at Big Lots. Do you have a hot cocoa/coffee bar station in your home?